Hey Roses, so guess what I have here, y'all. I finally went ahead and started a subscription for CurlBox again. It's been a while, huh? Well, you know, I was getting low on my hair products, and the way I stock up or choose to stock up and try new things is with CurlBox. So I'll leave information about how you can get your own CurlBox in the description box. But let me go ahead and get into this real quick. Earlier today, I filmed this makeup look, or at least part of it. It was part of a makeup challenge, and I gotta get to wash day. But let me see what's in my CurlBox. So I think whatever's in it, I'm gonna use. So here we go. So this is the first time I'm receiving a CurlBox since they changed their box design. It used to be black with hot pink writing. Now it is like a pale pink with black writing. And the first thing I noticed when opening it up, this could not fit in the box, so they left it on the outside, and I'm not mad. So this is it's by Cantu. I'm assuming everything else in the box is by Cantu, and this is it says smooth thick hair edge brush. Okay, this is different. Let me take this off. Okay, well, I like how it's made as far as the handle and everything. It don't look like it's about to fall apart. They said this is a thick edge brush, so I don't think this is just for the edges alone, because those bristles are kind of harsh in my opinion. But I guess if you're just brushing maybe just close to the edge, that might work. Will I use it? Honestly, I probably won't. That's just me. I don't really mess with my edges too much, you guys, because you know my edges, it's a struggle to even have them grow in the first place. And I got videos about that. I may do one a little bit later, but yeah, we don't play with the edges too much. So let me get this box open. Let's take the clothes. Okay. So one thing I noticed is the cover of this says the fashion issue. Oh, this is bad. Okay, look at her hair, y'all. Ain't that dope? That is dope. Okay, so obviously this is the fashion issue box. And it says a little card just to tell CurlBox what I think about it. If I want to, you tag CurlBox in any styles I come up with the products in this box. And now we have the box. Like I thought, Cantu items. Okay. Y'all see that? Okay, am I happy as Cantu items? I don't know, you guys. I don't deal with Cantu that much. You know, that was more during the beginning of my natural hair journey, and it's been about 4 years now that I did. But hey, it's okay. Now this pick is nice, and it says sturdy, and it looks sturdy. It feels sturdy, and I like the way the combs are situated. So it's like they're like staggered. See that? I like that. So I do like that. And it says how to use and all that. It says angle towards the root and gently lift and add volume. That's right, only at the roots, y'all. Never pick it all over the place, only the roots. We're not trying to break off no hair. Okay, and so next is a Regal Easy Wrap Slide On Fashion Band. Ain't that something? Okay, this is cute. It's made out of stretchy fabric. One size fits all. It says a stretch band that adds extra style to your look. Uses a headband or stretch over hair for instant wrap. Okay, y'all, I make wraps, so I wouldn't really say it's a full-blown wrap. And if you didn't know that, check out my shop, OlenaRosanne Creations, on Etsy, and I'll leave a link for that too. But yeah, I got all kinds of wraps. In my opinion, real wraps. But this is cute. This is cute if you want something to put on your edges, something real quick to spice up your outfit, you know, and the colors is cute, so I'll be wearing it. Okay, next item I have here, it is called the Canty Shea Butter for natural hair Style Stay Frizz Free Finisher. Try saying that fast. Okay, so it says it gives a weightless hold for curly or straight styles, non-sticky, crunch-free, no white flakes, humidity resistant. So this almost sounds like a hairspray, y'all. It says no sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. Mist 6 inches. It says mist from 6 inches away onto finish style for hold and control. Y'all, this is a straight up hairspray. Do I use hairspray? No, I don't. Will I use this? I don't know. Let's spray it. It smells good. It smells like coconut. I'm not really into hairsprays though, so this would have to be some kind of special occasion where maybe I did a curl rod set and I need that stuff to stay and not get all over the place. I might try it, but yeah, put that over there. Okay, next item here is a curl stretcher cream rinse. That's interesting. It says elongate strands for easy air dry or blow dry styles. Formulated to temporarily loosen texture to add manageability and save time whether the end look is curly or straight. Made with pure shea butter and formulated for all textures. It says apply to damp hair, leave in hair for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse with cool water. I don't know. Y'all, really, you know, after I wash and do my condition, whatever curls are starting to clump, I kind of want those to stay unless it's, you know, I'm going to be doing something else. So let's say this is like a wash and go or something. I mean, it depends upon the person using it. If you choose to elongate your curls, stretch them out with something that will stretch it. I don't know. Will I be using this? Honestly, y'all, I don't know. There's a bunch of I don't knows in this box, y'all. Okay. So the OG, they got the OG. So the coconut curling cream, you know, that's been around forever and a day. And of course that defines, moisturizes, and strengthens strands. Will I be using this? Probably so. Yeah. You know, it's a basic moisturizer. So and this edge stay gel, everybody, forever sending out stuff for edges. As I just said about, you know, what I do with my edges, I don't do anything. I never apply anything to them because the few hairs that grow in, I need them to hold on and stay for a minute before they fall out. That's what alopecia does, y'all. So that's my issue. Matter of fact, okay, so that's mine. These are my edges. They vary depending on how long the hair that does grow in wants to stay, and then they go away. Normally I don't do anything to them. So this is extra whole edge control. Will I be using it? Probably not. And if I do, actually if I do, it'll be in the back because I do wear my hair up. I don't really do much to it at all when I put it in my puffs. You know, I may wet it, brush a little bit, put some moisturizer and brush it up, but that's all. So I might wear, but if I do, it's going to be back here, or it's some hairs, you know, growing a little bit thicker. We may work with it. Who knows? Okay, so you guys, that was it from a CurlBox featuring Cantu. If you guys got this CurlBox, let me know what you think about some products. If you already have some of the products, let me know what you think. Are you interested in getting CurlBox, or have you just stopped your subscription for a while? I'm like, okay, wait a minute. Anyway, so I restarted my subscription, so I'll be doing these unboxings every month, and I'll be using some of the products as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any videos. And I will see you roses later. I got a wash day to tend to. Bye.